Hello, this is what I ordered from Hornby back in January in 2022 and it's now October 2022, so that's the halfway through January and it's now halfway through October, so it's about 9 months. Right, this is the electric model railway, RS.48, Triangle Railways Remembered, AA or HO gauge, or the R1284M Triangle Railways Remembered RS.48, the Victorian train set. As you can see, got a very old picture. Let's do a bit of a close up on the picture. Very 1950s perhaps. Typical father with his two lads, and their very big train set, bridge there, viaduct there, station there, water tower there, turntable there, car crossing there, many locos, rolling, many carriages there. I quite like their wallpaper which they've got there. I wonder if that still exists. I know that's probably 1950s, but I quite like that. And I quite like that big post behind them. Anyway, let's take the lid off and see what we've got inside. Before we take the lid off, let's take a quick look around the box. It's just the name there, the name there. I've got a picture of the actual loco inside. It's a 422 with its, it's called a Tender, and then with its two carriages, and I think that's the brake carriage. Again, just the name of it, and the same pictures on the other side, and then on the back it's just about safety for under 14 years in different languages. Let's open it up. Nothing on the lid on the inside, but that does look really good. What do we have? We've got two straight track there, standard size I think that's called it. That is an R600 straight track, and there seems to be two of them, and an R605 double curve first radius. This is a Lord of the Isles loco with its tender. This is a 422 loco with its GWR second class clerestory carriage and GWR brake third carriage. I forgot to say that it's the GWR Achilles class, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So it's a very nice box. I like this cover they've got here. So let's take this off very carefully. Got a couple of accessories here. You notice there's no controller, and I don't mind because I've already got enough controllers. But what it has got is this clip here where you put your two, I don't know how well you can see that, but there's two little holes there where you put the two wires in and you clip that into the track. How well this will pick up on the camera, but there is actually, I think it's just there, but I don't know how well you can see, but there's two little slits underneath there where you actually put them in like that, so that you can connect the controller to the track. And then this here looks like a decoupler, so what you can do is, I'm not too sure how this works, but I think you put that white stick into there and then that fixes onto the track somehow, and then that, so you can couple or decouple the carriages from the loco and tender. Don't think there's there should be some paperwork underneath, I should imagine. Yes, there it is. It says instructions and track mat leaflet pack. Well, there is no track mat here. Track mat is very big, and here's a picture of the track mat. Well, let's take a look at inside what leaflets we've got. Got the Dean single, Caledonian single, 422 steam locomotive. Got the general DCC ready, running routine maintenance, lubrication, body removal. I think we've seen this like hundreds of times. Safety note. We've got the Hornby 22 product range. Diesel electric locomotives, steam locos, railway app control, freight and rolling stock, track pack and accessories, scale, scenic, scale, autos, track system, building accessories, train sets. That's basically what they do. Coach carriages. We've got the owner's manual, maintenance and operating instructions. Looks like this needs to be updated because they're still showing the old 8250 controller. See there, but they no longer do that. They've got a newer version, so this needs to be updated. Got a bit about the uncoupling ramp there. Looks like they've got two versions. Maybe if I'll read that and then I can see how it works. More about maintenance. And we've got about becoming a member for the Collectors Club, building your world, the track geometry, the elements, more about what you can get, creating your scene, buildings, scaled out accessories. Let's take a closer look at the Hello and welcome to Midland Monsell Model Railway, the Triple MR. This is Lord of the Isles. Got a nice shiny chrome dome. I think that could be actually plastic, I think. The running plate I think is also plastic. Just to show you that the Tender has got plastic wheels and there's definitely no pickups from the Tender. No spring buffers, quite like the Tender. Plastic coal. I suppose that was where you open up to put the water into. It's a Great Western. Small amount of detail. Got the decoupler on the back there. Got some handrails on the back there. Got the crest there. Then on the loco, decoupler on the front. Again, no sprung buffers. It's got pickups on the two bogie wheels at the front. Number is 3046. You can actually see the cab detail. Very well painted up. You can see all the gauges, all the handles, all the piping. See, it's got a very large wheel in the middle there. I think that's the driving wheel there. Yeah, see this back wheel here runs freely, so that's I can just see. Yeah, so that's all these wheels are pickup wheels. So it's got 8 pickup wheels, and there's a handrail on both sides. I don't think even the chimney's metal. I think it's all plastic. I think that's just chrome plated. Just quickly want to show you this second class carriage, brake carriage. They're very light. There's no inner detail like tables or chairs or seating inside. Very box-like. I know I had this type of carriage before. It's got this air vent thing on top. Got the crest there. There'll be a door, back end, which if you want to call it a back end. No, I don't think it even is a door. I don't think it's a door. No sprung buffers. And the same with the brake carriage. Very light, very box light. There's no detail inside. Got the crest there. You've got this little bit sticking out here. I think it's like a little viewpoint, maybe perhaps. See, there's no air vent above this bit here, where the actual, I suppose where you put the luggage in this compartment here. Let's just give them a quick running test down the hill. I don't usually do this, but just for fun, let's give the Tender a bit for C. Well, that makes it just starting at the flat class carriage. Coming back a little bit there, so it's just nearly level. Well, I don't know, maybe the back end. So let's just move it across so it's roughly at the same place. The brake carriage. That went slightly further, but they both beat the Tender because the Tender didn't go past the station platform. They're both quite free. My Lord of the Isles with its second class carriage hiding behind the station, and its brake carriage just there. Let's see how this goes. Going across the suspension bridge. A bit of a splatter there. Something like that. Past the station. Main suspension bridge. Seems to be splattering across here. Doesn't like my little junction there, X cross. There's its two carriages. Keeps on splattering here. Two places where it's spluttering. Keep thinking it's derailing, but it doesn't like that area. I'm not sure why. Bring it to a stop, not quite to a stop. That's it at the station, you get the idea. Well, that's my little review of the Lord of the Isle 422 Loco with its one carriage and one brake carriage with its little air vents on top. Hope you like my little review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.